You see now he starts, opening his mouth, and that's one of the first warning signs.
Yeah, I was wondering if they're so dangerous, why aren't they attacking?
Remember, most of actually all the animals, they see us as the super predators.
Okay.
And they will first try to avoid the confrontation.
Right.
A nice pot of hippo, eh?
Really?
So on the average size, of these buffalo herds in the park is 300 in a group. That's the average size. I've seen herds
Average.
yeah, I've seen herds which are smaller in numbers. I've seen herds of 2,000.
Wow.
So that's quite impressive to see some of those big herds.